So today I'm trying to create sub video from a longer video. So it will be useful in the cases where you have a long video and you are trying to upload that video as a status on WhatsApp or Instagram. So they generally allow a video of 30 second or maybe 1 minute. So that's where I got stuck. I was trying to upload a 2 minute video on WhatsApp status. They have given some option, but it was not working for me. So I decided to go with Python to create 30-30 second video, and then I will upload on the WhatsApp status. So so going forward, let's have a look of the file first. So this is the file which I was trying to upload, and you can see it is 2 minute 2 second video. It's a video which I have recorded. It's about a poem. So let's see how we can do that in Python. So for that we need one library called Moviepy. So we need to install this library. So as usual, we can run this command and it will install this library. I have already installed, so I don't need to reinstall it again, and it will say requirement already satisfied. After that we need to import this package. So movie py.editor, we need to import video file clip. So video file clip, we will import it, and then we need to read this file. So the name of my file is video.mp4. so this will be the path of the file, and then we will read this file using video file clip, and we will pass this file variable. So now it read my file, and after that we need to create a sub clip from this clip. So we can simply use I will use sub clip, and then from clip dot sub clip. So by doing this, it will take two variable as a parameter. So first will be start time. So I will keep start time as 0. So it will start from 0, and then we need end time, and this end time I will keep 30 second, because that is what required in WhatsApp. So we need to pass start time and end time as parameter to this function end time. Okay, so if we run this, it will create subclip. Next we need to save this subclip in our local directory, and to do that we can write a function or method. In this case, write video file. We need to pass the file name or path, so subfile, and then we need to pass few more parameter. uh, I tried without passing this parameter, and it was not storing the audio. So you can take it like you need to pass this parameter to store or save the audio of it. So one is this code C, next one is audio code C, and value should be AAC. I don't know what does this mean, but if you do this you will get the audio of it, otherwise your voice will be gone. So temp audio file is equal to, you need to pass audio dot m4a, and then one last parameter, remove temp is equal to true. So if you pass all these parameters, it will save your file in your local directory. and we ran into error. So let's see what is the error. Broken pipe, unable to find suitable output for sub file, invalid argument. So we pass some argument as yes. The wrong is we pass the sub file but not format. Okay, now we will run again and it did something weird but let's see if file is created or not. Okay, there is a file of 30-second. It is having audio also. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. Now if you want to split in multiple sub video, all you can do is you simply write a uh, for loop and then change this start time and end time, and it will create all your videos. Okay, thank you.